Hello, everyone. Welcome back once again. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of game development using two powerhouse tools, Unity and Visual Studio 2022. So, whether you dream of creating immersive RPGs, fast paced platforms, or breathtaking VR experiences, this guide will help you take the crucial first step. So, now let's gear up and get started. First thing first, let's set up our workspace. So first, you can head to the Unity official website and download the Unity Hub, or you can follow what I'm about to do right now. So if you don't have a Visual Studio 2022 installed, make sure you go to the official website, download it, and install it. So once you've installed it, or during the installation, let's go ahead with once you've installed it. So as you can see here now, I've got a Visual Studio installer. If you have if you're installing it for the first time, you will get this workspace dialog here. But if you've already installed it, just go open the installer and click on the modifier. Yeah, let's scroll down. So as you can see here now, we've got game development with Unity. So this will actually help you create a 2D and 3D games with Unity, which is a powerful cross-platform development environment. So as you can see here now, I've already selected it. But if you haven't, yeah, make sure that you select it. So as you can see here now, got a bunch of optional components that is stored with it. So as you can see here, we've got the Visual Studio tools for Unity, we've got C# and Visual Basic. So the optional bits are the Unity Hub. So as you can see, like I said earlier on, if you want to install it separately, you can go to the Unity official website and then install it. But obviously, you can also do it from the Visual Studio installer. So make sure you have all these bits selected. Yeah, download it. You install it while downloading. So you click here. So as you can see, I've got nothing here because I've already got it on my system. But if you do have it already on your system, or once you finish downloading and installing it, make sure you close the Visual Studio installer. And then on the start page here, on your search page here, you can open this bit and type in Unity. So you have a Unity app will come up. Unity app will come up here. So once it comes up here, make sure you select it and it will open a page. The first page that will be open, I can't take you that far back here, but obviously you'll be prompted to either create a new account or log in with your Unity account. As you know, Unity is a paid to use platform, so obviously you're gonna have to subscribe it. If you don't want to, you can select for personal use and you select individual. So once you do that, yeah, obviously you'll be able to create a free account to get yourself started. So once you're done with that bit, yeah, you'll be taken to this page. So as you can see, it's got projects and whatnot here. Yeah? So as you can see, I've got no project yet. Yeah, so if we go ahead and click on this bit, so as you can see here now, it says, please locate or install version of Unity Editor for your new project. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click install. So as you can see here now, we've got a bunch of stuff that is coming up here. So as you can see, we've got Unity 6, which is the recommended version. So let's click on install. So as you can see here now, we've got the development tools, yeah. So here, you can install whatever tool that is applicable to you. As you can see, I've already got Visual Studio 2022 installed. So let's go ahead and click on install. So as you can see, this will take a while. So I'm going to pause the video while the whole thing installed. So as you can see here now, we've got the download completed and the setup has started. So let's wait for a few minutes while the installation completes. Okay. So as you can see here now, we've got the installation completed. So let's have a look at what was installed. So we've got obviously the editor application installed. So let's close it. Now let's go back and click on new project. So as we can see here now, we've got a bunch of starter projects that we can get started with. Yeah, so basically this is a 2D platformer micro program. So let's have a look at samples. So as you can see here now, we've got a bunch of samples that we can use, sample templates that we can use. So let's go ahead and select one and let's see what actually comes out of it. So let's select the universal 3D sample. Yeah, so let's go ahead and download it. So now we have the sample downloaded. So let's go ahead and create the project. Okay, so as you can see here now, we've got the game, the game project loaded inside our Unity editor. So as you can see here now, so we can go ahead and run it by pressing the play button. Okay. Also, we can transfer the project. We can transfer the project to a Visual Studio so that obviously we can write our C# code. So you can do that by right clicking on the asset and then open in C# project. Okay. So once you click on that, the Visual Studio will open and you get all the necessary projects inside. So as you can see here now, we've got it loaded and we've got four projects inside. So obviously you can expand it and then find the files that you want to update. Okay. So if we come back to the Unity, obviously we can run it by clicking on this play button. But we're not going to look too much into that because I'm going to make another video right after this so that obviously we can continue with that, and we can also have a look at how we can integrate the GitHub Copilot to write our code for us. So please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do. Also share the video because obviously someone might need it, and I've got lots of videos coming up. So I hope you have a lovely morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Peace.